Hi guys! So today we're going to organize my BTS Photocard collection. It's very small, so please don't judge me. But yeah, let's just get started. So right now I'm putting it together. These photocards are from the Hua Young Young Hua, the most beautiful moment in life. I actually pulled jumpcuts and then I found Jimin for very cheap, so I bought him. I bought that card along with this one just now. That one's the most beautiful moment in life part 2. But those two together was a really good price on Macari. This one I'm putting together is from the Wings album, from the end version, I believe. It's the one with Jimin and Yoongi, and I pulled Jungkook for that album. And yeah, so my photo card collection, guys, is very small. I like to keep the ones that I pull and then buy the ones that I think is cute. So I'm not like a huge collector. So this one is from You Never Walk Alone. I can't remember which one is which, but I pulled both Namjoon and Yoongi. Again, I can't remember who I pulled for which version. Okay, so this is Love Yourself, Her. Putting the stickers together, and then for the older albums I only collected one of each, so like one of Her, one of Tear, one of Answer, and one of Wings, stuff like that. So for the Jimin one I bought, and then the Jungkook one I pulled. Okay, sorry for the random cut, but this just came through the mail while I was editing, so I thought I should include it in the videos. This is Tae from the old version as well. And I pulled Jimin for Tear. And I bought that one on Macari as well. I'm kind of suspicious, kind of worried because there are a lot of fakes out there, so I can't tell, like, really if what I bought is real or fake, but I'm just praying for the best because, it's not like I paid like $2 for them, so I'm hoping they're real. Anyways, for Answer, I pulled Seokjin, if you guys saw, and then I got really lucky and I pulled the standee for the Persona just now, if you guys saw. These are the film strips. And so for Persona, I'm actually missing version 2. I can't seem to find it anywhere. I went to like several Targets and they're nowhere to be seen. I keep seeing 1, 3, and 4, and of course it's the ones that I have, so it's just like, okay. But so for the postcards, what did I get? I know I got Tae, Jin, and Yoongi, I believe. For version 1, I pulled Namjoon. And then my camera kind of got cut off, so I had to move a little bit. Sorry if that bothers you. So I pulled a Jimin for version 3, and I actually bought 3 versions. I got 2 versions of version 3, so I pulled another Jungkook there. And version 4, I pulled Tae, and then I found Jimin again for a relatively cheap price, and plus he's so cute in that photo, so I had to get him. Alright, I don't know why I'm taking so long here, but I don't know. Oh, so moving on to the BTS World OST album. I pulled Tae for the photo card, and then the coupon card I got Jimin. So I got my bias and my bias record, so it was very exciting. You can check my unboxing that I posted if you guys missed it. And so this is the end of the album, so now I'm just putting together the miscellaneous photo cards. So here I have the full collection of the Jimin photo cards from the Love Yourself tour. So I'm just putting together by how they're labeled, 1, 2, 3, 4, stuff like that. And now moving along, I am putting together the live photos from the exhibition book of 2018. So I'm just putting together on how their fan chants or are being called out, like, you know, Kim Namjoon, Kim Seokjin, Min Yoongi, Jung Ho Suk, Park Ji Min, Kim Tae Hung, Jung Jungkook, BTS. Okay, that was, yeah. So yeah, these photos are really, really pretty. Good quality. There's Jimin right there. Tae with his classic V sign. And then the maknae. Up next are I think the mustard photo cards, if I remember correctly. I tried really, really hard to collect these, but they were so expensive. That Tay photo light card, I won the bidding for it, which was like $15. I was really surprised because these were going for like hella crazy. So here looks like I have Tays. I have duplicates of Tays for some reason. I think I was buying like a bundle or something, and I ended up having like the same Tay. But yeah. But who I was really trying to collect is obviously my baby Jimin. These cards, I swear to God, they were like $30 or something, and I was like, I'm not paying $30 for a photo card. But you know, people get crazy, and I just did. So I ended up getting 4 of him. I think I'm missing 4 more, I believe. But that's just gonna have to do it for now because my money gotta be spent somewhere else, not just on photo cards, sadly. But maybe one day I'll collect all of them. One day, hopefully. So now I believe I'm putting together the photo cards from the sorry, I keep saying from the VT and BTS perfume box, bundle, set, whatever. It's also on my channel if you guys want to check that out. So again, just putting on order on how the fan chants are being called out. And these photos are really nice, and I like how they're you know, 2 each for the members, so it's not like you only have 1, and then, you know, because the perfume set was actually pretty expensive because they calculated shipping and stuff like that, so it's just like, do I really want to pay that much? But then you know, I really wanted the Jimin standee, which I fortunately got. My luck is sometimes very questionable, so very happy about that. Okay, so this one is from the Japanese fan club. I actually bought Seokjin and Tae, and then like the what do you call it? The photo album sleeve of Jimin. I bought it like weeks ago, and they still haven't come in. So poor Jimin is just sitting in the binder all alone by himself. But the rest will come in eventually. Alright, sorry for another random cut. So this is Namjoon's photo from Memories of 2018. It just came in the mail. I sold Yoongi for him, and also Jimin should be coming in anytime now. I also bought him. So the rest now are just fan-made stuff. Like these are the Jimin postcards, and then in the end I stuffed in some stickers, like the BT21 official stickers. And I don't know, some other random stuff like you know, freebies where I'll purchase some things from sites like Choice Music, Music Plaza, and other users on eBay and Mercari, whatnot. I have a whole separate album for the fan-made photo cards, so let me know if you guys want to see a video on that.